So we were discussing this topic, and the next topic in this section is light year. Many students think light year is a unit of time, but light year is unit of distance. It can be defined as light year is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. We know speed of light is 3 lakh kilometers per second, or 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and time in seconds will be 3.15576 into 10 to the power 7 seconds. So from the formula distance is equal to speed into time, we will get 9.46 trillion meters. This is the distance light travels in 1 year. And when we compare the distance traveled by light in 1 second, that is 3 lakh kilometers, and the circumference of Earth, that is 40,000 kilometers, we will get a fact that light travels around the Earth about 7.5 times in 1 second. The nearest star to Earth after Sun is Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.24 light years away. This means the light we see today actually left the star about 4.24 years ago. In astronomy, looking farther into space also means looking into the past. So for measuring distances beyond our solar system, we use light year. The next unit in this category is parsec. So stars are too far to measure with a tape. Scientists measure their distances using a phenomena called parallax, and the distance unit based on this method is called parsec. And the apparent shift of an object when the observation point changes is called parallax. You can understand this with the everyday example. Close your one eye, then observe the other while looking at your finger. Finger appears to shift, but finger actually doesn't shift. The reason is your eye observe it from two different points. There is a 5 to 7 centimeter gap between your two eyes. So when observation point changes, the distance also appears to change. In the same way, Earth observes a nearby star from two opposite points in its orbit 6 months apart, say one in January and the other in July. The nearby star appears to shift against distant background stars, and more the distance, smaller will be the shift, and less the distance, larger will be the shift. This is called as stellar parallax. Now the other thing you have to understand is parallax angle. The angle of this apparent shift is called parallax angle. This is very important relation you have to remember always. Distance is inversely related to parallax angle. More the distance, less the parallax angle. Another important unit you have to keep in mind is arc second. Don't get confused. These are not the time units. These are angle units. See, there is 360 degree in one complete circle, and 1 degree is comprised of 60 arc minutes, and 1 arc minute is comprised of 60 arc seconds. Therefore, in 1 degree there are 3600 arc seconds, and it is denoted by double inverted commas. Simple analogy is we divide length into smaller units, angles are also divided into smaller units. Now the definition of parsec is a star whose parallax angle is equals to 1 arc second has a distance of 1 parsec. You can memorize it by using par for parallax and sec for arc second. Both together make parsec. Formula for this is distance in parsec is equals to 1 upon parallax angle in arc second. These are some important relation between 1 parsec and other large distance units that you should keep in mind.